Hey guys, Steven with Mod in Japan here, and we have a special video for you today. We are on location with our friends at Wheelers Motorsport in Chino, California. If you've been following us for a while, you've heard of Wheelers Motorsport before. They are the builders of every single one of our project vehicles for the past 10 years. They've helped us to build our Lexus GSF, A90 Supra, Honda Civic, and Toyota Tacoma. They have a rich history in servicing every kind of car you could possibly imagine, from Japanese vehicles to European to off-road vehicles. And they have quite a few vehicles in the past that they've done for the SEMA show. Bruce, the owner, happens to be a good friend of mine, and over the years, not only have they worked on our project vehicles, they've also been servicing our local Lexus customers. So we're going to be working a lot with them to help bring cost-effective and quick installation services to our local customer base. Behind me, we have a special collab project. It's a Wheelers Motorsport, Mod in Japan, Novell Racing collab, Lexus LC500. And it features the entire lineup of Novell parts from the Lexus LC500, from the full carbon fiber Aerodynamics kit to their signature Valved Catback Exhaust. It has a special future ahead of it, but more on that as the build develops. Rather than me talking the entire time, I will throw it to Andrew from Wheelers that did the installation on this build so you can get a better idea on the process.
Hey guys, this is Andrew with Wheelers Motorsports, and today we're going to be talking about our collab build with Mod in Japan and Novell. This Lexus LC500 features the full Novell carbon fiber Aerodynamics kit and their Valved Catback Exhaust system. We did the installation on this build, so let's first talk about how the exhaust install works. First, you have to remove the mid-pipe by removing the 14mm bolts to disconnect it from the headers. Afterwards, I removed the mid-pipe hangers and the support brace that's in the middle of the car. Working my way to the back, I removed the last of the plastic underbody panels and the axle back. During the removal process, you need a special socket to remove the O2 sensors, and you'll have to disconnect and remove the OEM valve system. After the removal of the stock exhaust, the install is just in reverse. You hang the mid-pipe, reconnect the bolts and sensors, and do all of it in reverse for a clean and simple install. The only additional step is Novell has their own valve system, so you have to hardwire the system into the car so you can control the valves from the dash. You just have to wire power to a switch activated actuator so you can control the valves. On the carbon fiber Aerodynamics kit install, you don't need to remove any of the OEM bumpers or panels, but here at Wheelers Motorsports, we make sure that we have the cleanest and strongest installation. The front lip is simple, with just OEM mounting points, so you just have to add it on to the existing bolts. On the side skirts, it's a little bit different because you need to install the inserts onto the OEM side skirts to mount them. You use the front bolt on the side skirts as your first mounting point, then you use a paint marker to mark the points on the LC where you're going to mount the rivet nuts. The rear underside spats use simple rivet nuts to mount those along the provided gaskets. Lastly, the rear diffuser, there are 4 bolts you mount onto the OEM mounting points, so you remove the existing OEM bolts and place the diffuser and rebolt it on. And that's it, a simple and clean installation for this LC500. If you guys need help installing parts from basic bolt-ons to full-blown custom painted widebody kits, we can handle all of this here at Wheelers. If you have any questions or need any help with an install, all of our contact information will be in the description below.
So whether you have the super common valley plate leak issue or are looking for somebody to do a brake job or coilover installation, Wheelers is a shop that we would absolutely recommend. They also have a partnership with the paint shop, so they can be also a one-stop shop to have parts painted and installed all under one roof. If you have any questions about Wheelers or need a quote, I'll have all their contact information placed in the description below. Thanks again for watching. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments below. And if you want to support the channel and have more videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.